Apple, banana, orange. These are familiar fruits, the ones you can spot in any grocery store anywhere in the world. But what about black sapote, rambutan, Buddha's hand, and durian? Let alone recognizing these fruits, have you ever even heard of them? They are exotic fruits, most of them found in Southeast Asia but also often at Asian food stores. Some are furry, some are fuchsia, some have bright white flesh. We have a list of 10 unique fruits you have never heard of. They are weird and they are tasty, and you should get to know them. Number 10. MONSTERA deliciosa. MONSTERA is a houseplant. Houseplants don't have the most appealing names, but that hasn't stopped a surge of popularity for this tropical plant. Chances are you have spotted its graphic leaves on everything from throw pillows to wallpaper. MONSTERA is a tropical plant from the Arcaceae family. Its name, as one might guess, comes from the Latin meaning abnormal because of its odd-looking, perforated leaves that are often punched through with holes. In the wilds of the jungle, MONSTERA can grow to be enormous, dozens of feet tall with leaves that spread to nearly 2 feet wide. The best known variety is MONSTERA deliciosa or Mexican breadfruit in reference to its corn-cob shaped fruit, which is said to taste like a combination of pineapple, banana, and mango. It's not all delicious, however, the rest of the plant is poisonous, and eating the fruit before it's ripe can cause mouth irritation or even burn your food pipe all the way down to the stomach. All I want to say is beware. Beware of a fruit. Sounds odd, right? Number 9. Snake fruit. The outside of the fruit is scaly like a snake and prickly like a cactus, but the inside is sweeter than honey, sour like a pineapple, and incredibly juicy. Its flesh is slightly acidic, giving your tongue a citrus-like tingle. The complex flavor wrapped into a lethal grenade-looking package has a spectacular flavor. Snake fruit, more technically known as salak, is native to Indonesia but is now grown and produced around Southeast Asia. The fruit grows on the salak palm tree, sprouting off the base of the palm in little clusters. In Thailand, snake fruit is widespread, popular as a to-go snack on the streets of Bangkok. Vendors will often handle the dirty work, peeling the spiky exterior and packing the peeled fruit into a convenient baggies for sale. Thais enjoy snake fruit dipped in a mixture of sugar and salt. Number 8. Mangosteen. Mangosteen, also called purple mangosteen, handsome tropical tree native to Southeast Asia and cultivated for its tart sweet fruit. The mangosteen fruit is highly valued for its juicy, delicate texture and slightly astringent flavor and is commonly eaten fresh, canned or dried. The plant is used locally in traditional medicine and has been promoted as an alternative cancer treatment, but clinical studies in humans are lacking. Under favorable conditions, the slowly growing mangosteen tree can reach a height of 9.5 meters. It has thick, dark green, glossy leaves, 15 to 25 centimeters long, borne in opposite pairs along the stem, and large rose-pink flowers. The fruits are the size of a small orange, round or flattened on the ends. Mangosteens have a thick, hard, deep red rind surrounding snow-white flesh, which is in segments resembling those of a mandarin orange. Number 7. Fruit of the HALA. Seeing a HALA fruit for the first time may leave you wondering if you are looking at a giant pine cone or a mutant pineapple. HALA fruit, which is eaten exclusively by Pacific Islanders and visitors to the region, is made up of dozens of segments called keys or cones. The innards of each key are pulpy, while the green outer edge is so fibrous it can be used as dental floss. Islanders chew on the raw part, boil it with grated coconut, or grind it into a paste. One taster likened the flavor of fresh HALA juice to a mixture of sugar cane and mango, with the consistency of thick nectar. Traditional Hawaiian cultures use the hala tree for medicine, dye, and food. They apply and consume the roots to treat illnesses and braid the leaves into a variety of household items. To eat a fresh hala fruit, use the claw of a hammer to remove a couple of keys. The rest should pop out easily. Chew on the center of each key to break down the fibers, then suck out the sweet nectar inside. Number 6. Durian. Durian fruit is generally slightly oval, about a foot wide and covered in formidable looking spikes. The fruit can weigh between 2 to 7 pounds, and this is heavy enough that in holding it in your hands by the body of the fruit instead of the stem, it could potentially pierce the skin. However, its otherworldly appearance is dwarfed by another one of its attributes, the smell. Durians have a strong, rank smell that permeates the outer shell and lingers long after the fruit has been removed. Due to its overpowering smell, durian has been banned on many types of public transport across Thailand, Japan, and Hong Kong. Naturally rich in iron, vitamin C, and potassium, durian improves muscle strength, skin health, and even lowers blood pressure. Number 5. Red banana. We all have had yellow banana in our life, but have you ever tried red banana? Also known as Dhaka banana, it is less popular and is much sweeter than the regular yellow banana. They also have a nice aroma, somewhat like berries. According to health experts, they are way healthier than a regular banana and have a different nutritional profile. It is considered as an ideal addition to your daily diet because of its amazing health benefits. You must eat red bananas only when fully ripe, or else they will taste chalky and dry and will not have any taste. If you don't know, red banana carries lesser calories as compared to other fruits. It is rich in fiber and can keep you full for a longer time. This might sound surprising, but yes, red bananas are helpful in controlling the consumption of nicotine. Number 4. Buddha's hand. As much as we are suggesting you to try these fruits, this particular one is unexpectedly expensive. Yeah, just a pound of this costs 25 bucks. While you buy apples of about 3-4 bucks of the same amount, you might consider buying this without thinking twice, because why not? The smell and the lemony taste are worth devouring upon. Buddha's hand or fingered citron gets its name from the finger-like sections of the fruit, which is green to yellow in color and, unlike other citrus fruits, typically does not have any pulp or juice. Originating in the Himalayan region and eaten throughout East and Southeast Asia, Buddha's hand has a taste like that of a non-bitter lemon peel and a strong lemon blossom fragrance that makes it popular for zesting and flavoring. Number 3. Rambutan. Rambutan is a fruit grown in tropical countries such as Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Australia. The fruit grows in clusters on evergreen trees and are hairy-looking colorful balls. The name rambutan means hairy, referring to the spikes on the skin of the fruit. The spikes aren't sharp, they are fleshy and pliable. Like the lychee under the rind, there is the tasty white flesh of the fruit and a single inedible seed. The fruit can be eaten fresh without cooking. Most rambutans are red when they're ripe, but in Malaysia you can also find a smaller yellow rambutan. The flavor of rambutan is a little like grapes with a slight strawberry quality, slightly acidic and sweet. Number 2. Longan. The longan is a tropical tree species that produces edible fruit. It is one of the better known tropical members of the soapberry family Spindaceae, to which the lychee and rambutan also belong. It is native to tropical Asia and China. The longan, literally dragon eye, is so named because it resembles an eyeball when its fruit is shelled. The black seed shows through the translucent flesh like a pupil or iris. The seed is small, round, and hard, and often enamel like liquid black. The fully ripened, freshly harvested fruit has a bark-like shell, thin and firm, making the fruit easy to peel by squeezing the pulp out as if one were cracking a sunflower seed. When the shell has more moisture content and is more tender, the fruit becomes less convenient to shell. The tenderness of the shell varies due to either premature harvest, variety, weather conditions, or transport or storage conditions. The fruit is sweet, juicy, and succulent in superior agricultural varieties. Number 1. Black sapote. It is nature's own version of chocolate pudding. Black sapote, a tropical fruit found in Mexico, the Caribbean, Central America, and Colombia, tastes like delectable chocolate pudding. The fruit has no relation whatsoever with cocoa tree and looks like a green tomato when unripe and turns yellow-green when ripe. As for tasting like chocolate, you'll be very confused if that's what you're expecting. However, if you approach black sapote with an open mind, it is utterly unexpected and delightful, with honey, caramel, date, and mineral tones. The fruit is best consumed when the exterior looks like it is completely past its prime with a somewhat bruised appearance. This unfortunately makes it an unappealing supermarket fruit. The texture of a perfectly ripened sapote is akin to soaked dates or very ripe papaya. It is creamy and very pleasing. Black sapote tastes similar to a hachia persimmon, and like the hachia, it must be completely soft to the touch and to be ready to eat. Otherwise, the astringency will make your mouth pucker and cause your tongue to recoil in horror. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel and have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.